Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the Mini Cooper key fob type: flip key, comfort access smart key, or older style remote. Check the back of the fob or the owner manual for the battery size. Most Mini keys use a CR2032 cell. Gather tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a 3.5 mm coin, a replacement CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth. Work on a clean, well-lit surface and ground yourself to avoid static. Confirm the new battery is the correct voltage and fresh from packaging before opening the fob. Remove the emergency mechanical key if your fob has one by pressing the release and sliding it out. Locate the seam around the fob edge and insert a 3.5 mm coin or small flathead at the notch. Twist gently to separate the halves. Work around the perimeter to disengage clips rather than forcing a single spot. This prevents cracking the plastic. Lift the top cover slowly and observe how the circuit board and battery sit. Note any small springs or washers and place them on the cloth in order for reassembly. Observe the battery orientation before removal. Most Mini fobs seat the CR2032 with the plus side facing up. Remove the old cell by gently levering it from its holder and install the new battery, ensuring it sits flush and contacts press firmly against terminals. Reassemble the fob by aligning the halves and snapping clips closed evenly. Reinstall the mechanical key. Test all remote functions from within 5 meters of the car, checking lock, unlock, and panic button responses. If signals are weak, reopen to receipt contacts or replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.